Hey everyone, as many of you know, we have finished our ensuite bathroom, and let me just tell you, it is everything we had envisioned and we love it. In this ensuite, we had installed a pocket door that we sourced, salvaged, and installed. And honestly, it is the perfect addition to our ensuite. But we also knew that we, in the future, wanted to put some kind of a window above this door. We're going to call it a transom window for lack of a better term. In this video, we take you on a journey across many cities to find, hopefully, the perfect window. So let's jump into it. Welcome, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yohos. Just a quick backstory on this 100-year-old door. We were lucky enough to find it at this vintage hardware store. We are installing a pocket door in our new ensuite, and we knew we wanted something a little different than the run-of-the-mill doors that you can find at a hardware store. So I knew from the beginning I didn't want a door that I needed to sand down to its original glory. I just wanted to find a door that wasn't in too bad of shape. Like, I didn't have to really sand too much, maybe just pick off a bit of paint and paint it. I can pretty much say somewhat confidently that all of these doors down here, the majority of them probably are lead-based paint, and I just didn't feel like dealing with it. A couple of coats of good primer, I could just seal in all of that paint and move on and pretend it never happened and paint it. So here's where we're at.
We're at 26.
Ooh, and it has a mirror.
Oh, wow. Imagine that on the outside.
Like we said at the very beginning of the video, we found the door, we brought it home. You guys, we are so in love with this door. I could not wait to get started on refinishing it. I'm going to say refinishing it. I sanded it down, I put a good primer on it, ×2, and then I painted it this truly olive color, and I honestly want to paint my whole house this color. I love it so much, so I'm hoping in the near future I'll be painting something that color again because I love it. So now once that was completely finished, Mark got to installing it.
We had very specific measurements for this window.
Yes.
There was no room for error. We had a very small window for the window. We had some measurements and we had to stay within them. And luckily we came across something that was perfect.
I didn't think we were going to find anything, I'm being honest, because there was so many windows. Because I wanted it to fit like where the mirror is on the sliding door.
That's right. And also we had the frame above the door built out already.
Yes.
So there was a maximum width we had, and we had to stay under that.
100%.
Yeah.
Knew our limits, we played within them.
We knew our limits and played within them.
Yeah.
It doesn't rhyme at all.
I know, but know your
limits and play within it. I don't think I've ever been excited about something as much as this stained glass window. I don't know why. I've known about this place in Campbellville for a billion years. I want to say probably early 2000s, late 90s, that I was actually out there and saw the place for the first time. I've been so excited to go back and find some reason to have a stained glass window.
To buy
we
one.
finally got it, yes. So we started our search, and holy man, was there a lot of stained glass.
Wow, you guys, let's show you that now. So once we got there, they were setting up for Christmas, and now looking at the man, he kind of looks like Santa.
Oh, 100% it was Santa Claus.
Mrs. Claus was inside working on the stained glass.
Santa lives in Campbellville, folks.
I wish we lived closer to it because they were just setting up, and we were there probably about a month ago, I'd say, but we would have definitely have checked out all of the goings on this close to Christmas. Oh, how cute is this?
How's your day going? Let's go in paradise. There you go. Any day I can put up Christmas stuff and it's not freezing, it's good. It's a good day.
1980s and 1920s. Wow. Some are a little older, some are a little newer. We also have some Dutch windows, like that big one, and then there's that one up there that were made from the same period. We have some Ed Mervish windows. We don't know when those were made, but from the restaurant and from Honested's.
Okay.
And then we also have some Toronto studio windows, 2 studios where the artist came post-World War II. He retired and we ended up with some of his panels, but you'll see like contemporary Toronto studio window or whatever. So if it's not marked like that, then it's an old window. Okay, so I'll turn on the lights.
We're not going to say too much through this part of the video. We want you guys to enjoy looking at these beautiful windows as much as we did.
cute, but I just
Isn't it?
want to lift it like this.
Here, why don't I lift it and you can take a picture of it? one we picked, you guys.
Yeah, it's got all the colors of the bathroom in the glass, and there's some of the pinky red on the edges there. Oh, it's gonna look so good.
Absolutely.
This window is beautiful. The corners have two little hangers on them, so Mark said he has a special tool to take them off. So let's go have a looky-boo at what he's going to do to get these chains off this window.
Hello there. Welcome to one of my other little known LinkedIn specialties, unsoldering. Takes a while for the stuff to heat up. Solder. Pull the
Little peg off, huh?
yeah, it's just a little piece of copper wire. And you see it now, it's heating up.
Oh yeah, okay.
Heat will spread throughout, and it'll heat up all of the solder around it. As it gets nice and hot, it just turns into a
It looks
liquid.
like tin foil.
Right?
That's so cool.
There we
Wow. Well,
Wow.
this is where it stops. This is a two-parter. The next episode you will see Mark installing. We have to paint the trim. We have to do all the fun stuff around the door.
Should be great. It's going to be a really fun project to get finished.
It's not like it doesn't function already. It functions perfectly, but seeing that little stained glass specimen up in that area, oh, I'm so excited to see
It's going
it.
to be amazing.
Yeah, so you guys, this is our last video of 2024. Yes, we would like to say thank you very much
Thank you.
for watching, subscribing, and liking, and doing all the fun things. And this is your cue now. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and you can catch all of the videos as they get uploaded right off the press.
And don't forget to share it too. We want to try and increase this web of Yoho initiates. Please help us do that.
Yes, that would be lovely, whatever he said. Oh gosh, you guys, have a happy holiday season, and I guess we'll see you in 2025. That's so hard to believe.
I know. It's crazy.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
everybody.